Hey there, Matt Petrowski here for Filtered Info, and what we're taking a look at for the tip today is Firefox keywords for bookmarklets, and this is making things easy. Now Firefox, this is specific to Firefox, has a convenient little thing that you can do. As I bring on screen, I'm going to bring the edit bookmarks area. Now this just happens to be my Google area. I have a Google folder, but you look at this, all of these different shortcuts or the URL locations, you can see that I've simply assigned a keyword to each of these. So I can simply type in dashboard into the URL bar and it'll take me to the Google dashboard. Mail, cal for calendar, VM for voicemail, news, Wave, AdSense, AdWords, analytics, webmaster. This is really cool, but it doesn't apply just to your actual URLs themselves, being able to swap values in. It also applies to bookmarklets where you have JavaScript functions. So let's take a look at where this is really cool. So what I have on screen right here is an article from Engadget. All I'm going to do is I'm simply going to select and I'm going to type the word read. What happens is I have a bookmarklet assigned to that keyword, which simply is going to run through the readability bookmarklet. So all it did is it took that web page and it now made it just a single super simple article to actually read. Where do you get the readability bookmarklet? Well, let's go ahead and load that up. It's right here at, let's put that on screen, lab.arc90.com/experiments/readability. So this is a very cool bookmarklet that you can create. You can control the actual look, whether you want novel, ebook, etc. So you get to control how the output is going to look. You can go large, etc., extra small, and whether you want narrow, medium, wide, extra wide. Once you've got the settings that you want, you're going to drag this to your bookmarks folder. You're then going to apply the actual value, the keyword that you want to use, and then you're able to apply that no matter where you're at. If you want the old article, all you have to do is refresh. So a simple refresh is going to put me back on the original article. Now this applies to all the different bookmarklets that you can actually find. So toggling back over to my bookmarks, let's take a look at my tools area. Quicks is a popular bookmarklet. Form resizer for actually resizing forms. So all I have to do is go to my URL bar and type resize. Readability for reading. Linkify in order to convert all of the links that may be on a page but not necessarily actual anchor tags. Search links, that's another really cool one. It's a JavaScript function. Watch this. Let's switch back over to that and I will simply go in and type search links. And what's going to happen is it'll bring up a prompt. Now I can look on this page for everything that has the keyword nexus. And it should open a new window. You can see that it prevented me from doing that, but in essence what it'll do is it'll pop up a new window, look for all links that actually contain the word nexus, and we're good to go. So that is adding keywords to your bookmarklets in Firefox.